Oh, Cheerio. You know how we do.
Oh, cheerio. Looks like we're off to the day, sis.
Yes.
Looks like we're about to go eat some Cheerios.
Cheerios.
Wait, that dreaded pirate Cheerio or different Cheerio?
The dreaded pirate Cheerio, we're gonna fight him.
Rewind.
The dreaded pirate, we're gonna fight him.
Let's go!
We're still in rewind.
You mean the dreaded pirate or the Cheerios?
Cheerio. It's a great day just to see you today. Beautiful.
Play.
Great to see you, sis. How you doing? It's great to see you, sis. It's awesome. It's just gonna go with some.
I know. We're going to the city, right?
French.
Already goes around saying,
I mean the big bad pirate.
We're gonna fight him. Oh.
English.
The fight, and the fight. Fight the guy, whatever his name is, Mr. Cheerio. Yeah.
Mr. Cheerio.
Fast forward. Play.
Oh, he's gonna come and get us! We better get ready to kill him!
Rewind.
Now see Oh no! He's coming out of the sky like a dove! He's coming out of the sky like a dove! He's gonna get us! We gotta get ready to destroy him! And for my grandma's foot! Let's go!
Slow motion. Rewind in slow motion. Play normally. Spanish. English.
Cheerio anti-slavery. Bring upon it the word of healing.
Mute. Fast forward to the end. Play normal.
My gosh.
We won!
We did.
And in our reward, we finally got our Cheerio.
Da, da,